Welcome to our channel, Upholstery Technology. Okay guys, now we are in the step where we distribute the covers where they belong. We just put them in each section and we're gonna do the loading. For all the covers, is the same process, it's not the fully frame. One of the things that it happens in this section, if you cut slightly this area, then the clip is gonna work better. It's just too much material. And we cut it because it interferes with the locking mechanism. Now guys, remember that I'm doing all this basically by hand. That's the way you wanna be doing it at home or work or whatever that you are doing the installation. This is mechanical pliers. Obviously this is the professional grade. You can buy these things on eBay, Amazon, things like that. So these are the hack ring pliers, and they're a little bit more like a one-time use or very basic tool. But this is the professional grade, but it's gonna be manual, the process. So you got your cover, and all we have to do is put it in the center and start to install the hack rings. So we're gonna start here. And again, guys, I'm gonna recommend you always to have your pocket knife. It's dull, it's not sharp, it's just to make the incisions in the pull so it can go easy with the hack ring. Besides, it is more flexible. So you center your cover and you punch the holes and then you hack ring. Can you hack ring without it? Yes, you can. But there is reasons why I suggest to you to do it this way. I can talk about all that for quite some time, but let's just get this done. This is one section. The same thing we're gonna do here and all the siding in the back. Let me do the back now. And guys, it's gonna be the same process for all of them, including the front ones. So I'm gonna love them all. And again, I don't intend to waste your time with the video, knowing that all you need to do is the same thing over and over and over in different sections. But again, if you have questions, please put it in the comments. Everything is centered, guys. That's very important that you use the center of the piece so you don't get your cover crooked. That's a key element in here. And then we want to do the side. I keep on saying this, guys. All the phones or the majority of them has a little line that indicates the position for the car frame. So you don't have to guess where are they. In case that you have no visuals to it, that mark indicates the position. The advantage to do the incision ahead of time is that the cover can adjust to the precise position. Versus having the hack ring piercing the pull and not allow it to move or to adjust to another position. So this technique improves the quality of the installation considerable by a lot. por mucho. So guys, just see, there is the incisions. You go with the hot grain and you make them to go. Two more. And that's it, guys. That's your loading process. There is two more here. So this is your loading process. Every time that you do this, guys, you center it. You center your cover and you get a point and you know you can center it. So you know you are not getting off. Same process for any kind of cover. Well, not any kinds. There is few kinds that are slightly different. When it comes to hack rings, this is one way to do it. And I don't want you guys to make this more complicated or think that it's complicated. It's very simple. That's what. That's the reason why I am demystifying the installation process for you guys, so you can see how simple it is. It's not that difficult. So the loading is done. The next step is gonna be the trimming, the fully trimmed section when we put it in the frame. But we are not there yet. We still need to load all the other covers. So we're gonna continue with the loading process. And in the next video, we want to start to do the fully trim. Guys, if you have questions or if you need anything to know about the product, let me know in the comments. Okay, now I'm gonna demonstrate the loading of the headrest. This is a very simple process, guys. You don't need any of those gigs. This is exactly what you're gonna be doing when you get your kit. You don't need special tools, anything like that. Vacuums. It helps a lot, but it's not really necessary. So I'm gonna show you. This is the front. So basically all we do after we remove the covers, we're gonna squish the headrest. And it's just pressure, guys. So all you do is squish it down. And there you have it. Align the seam allowances and the trimming in the bottom with the U-clip. Lock in position. And there's your front headrest. Let's do this one. This one will go by the shape that it matches. Also, you can go by the offset of the studs. If you learn this way, mostly every headrest can be done. There is few exceptions. There is two. And let's make a third one just for demonstration. And again, guys, Toyota make these things more simple than in the previous generations. And this is the the process, you just squish it, it reduces the size. That's basically what I'm doing. So this is the rear one. I have one front one, the center one. Just so you can see that the process is simple. And if you have questions, guys, put it in the comments, please. Let's lock this one. Rear, front, center. The same process I'm gonna do for the other two, but I don't wanna take much of your time. Comment, ask questions. I wanna help. And I'll continue in the next video with the loading. Actually, it's the fully trim. So we're about to complete this installation so I can show you the results.